Lesson 67 today is about using ratios to compare. And the first question that we have says, if 20 pounds of beans sold for $1.20, what was the price per pound of beans? Now we frequently talk about the price per pound of something, and if one store sells something for 79 cents per pound and the other sells it for 89 cents per pound, well, you'd want to buy it for 79 cents per pound so you get the better deal. Now, in this problem, 20 pounds of beans sold for $1.20. What was the price per pound of beans? The key in this is price per pound. Per always means divide. So we want price per pound. So we're going to put the price on top. We're going to put the pounds on bottom. We're going to write it as a fraction because it says using ratios or rates to compare. So we've got 20 pounds of beans. We've got $1.20. We want to know what was the price per pound. We're going to have to simplify this. If we cut both numbers in half, we're going to get 60 cents for 10 pounds. If we cut both of those numbers in half again, we're going to get 30 cents for 5 pounds. And we know how many times 5 will go into 30, and just because it's cents doesn't make it any difference. Well, 5 is going to go into 36 times, so what we're going to get is we're going to get 6 cents per 1 pound. That was the price per pound of beans, 6 cents per 1 pound. We can go ahead and box our answer, and we can move on to the next problem. Another way we could write our answer would be to write 6 cents per pound. And we can always write it out like this. It's also acceptable. Both answers are the same. They both tell us the same information. Both of them will get you full credit. Let's move on to our next slide. The next problem says, the big can held 16 ounces and cost 80 cents. The small can held 12 ounces and cost 72 cents. Which can was a better buy? In order to figure out which can is a better buy, we need which one costs less per 1 ounce. So we're going to need to simplify them. The first one is 80 cents, the big can, per 16 ounces. And the small can is 12 ounces when it costs 72 cents. So we can go ahead and we can simplify both of these fractions in order to figure out which one is the better buy, which one costs less per 1 ounce. So let's cut both of our numbers in half. We're going to get 40 cents for 8 ounces. Then we're going to get 20 cents for 4 ounces. We're going to get 10 cents for 2 ounces. And we cut both of those in half. That's equal to 5 cents per ounce. That's the big can. Let's see how much the little can costs per ounce. So if we cut those in half, well, half of 72 is 36. We have 36 cents for 6 ounces. Now look, 36 over 6. Well, we know what 36 divided by 6 is. That's 6. So what we get is 6 cents per 1 ounce. So we've got 6 cents per 1 ounce. We've got 5 cents per ounce. That's the same thing as 5 cents per 1 ounce. So which one is the better buy? Well, the better buy costs less per ounce. So 5 cents per ounce, that's the better buy. So if we wanted to write it out, the big can, that's our better buy. And we know that the big can is the better buy because we worked through the problem, we simplified our ratios, the price per ounce. We did it for both of them to find that the big can was 5 cents per ounce and the little can was 6 cents per ounce. Lesson practice will be on page 212. Make sure you've got your notes complete, and I'll see you during our next class.